Good morning, students. The new chapter triangles I want to start today. Already so many terms related to triangles you studied in your lower classes, but also we want to have some introduction to the triangles. So, what is a triangle? What is a triangle? Yes, triangle. Yes, triangle is a geometric figure we know very well, but particularly we want to define how we are going to define a triangle. Yes, so here to the triangle, triangular shape. So many examples can give triangular shape, which you can see in your compass box. Two triangular shaped figures are there. Can you tell what is the name of that two sets together? They are set squares. They are set squares, two triangular shapes. Then what is the use of these two from your compass box? You know only scale, compass and protractor. And what is the use of these two triangular shapes? So, they are used for only to draw without compass and scale. You can draw parallel lines. To draw parallel lines, these two shapes are used. So, these are called set squares. Is it? This is a triangle shape. Yes, what are the? Then can you define what is a triangle? Yes. Triangle has 1, 2, 3. These are called vertices. These are called vertices. Yes, A, B, C are called vertices of a triangle, and these are the sides of the triangle. Then what is triangle? Yes. So, collinear points and non-collinear points. Collinear points and non-collinear points. Yes. We know very well definition about collinear points and non-collinear points. So, what you can tell about A is a point in a plane, B is a point in a plane, C is a point in a plane. Are they collinear points? No, they are non-collinear points. Then what about collinear points? Points are said to be collinear if they are on the same straight line. They are on the same straight line. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D are said to be collinear points. Yes, here A, B, C are not on the same straight line, so they are non-collinear points. How many are there? 3. 3 non-collinear points are joined by line segments. AB is a line segment, BC is a line segment, AC is a line segment. Yes, understanding what is a triangle? Triangle is a geometrical figure formed by 3 non-collinear points are joined by the line segments. Then C are called vertices. A, B, C are called vertices of a triangle, and AB, BC, AC are called sides of the triangle. Yes. Then what about this angle? Then what is angle? What is angle? So two line segments BA and CA meeting at a point. Two line segments meet at a point. Two line segments meet at a point. Then the distance between that two lines is said to be angle. So how many angles are there? Three angles are there. They are angle A, angle B, angle C. You can write in different way. Way of writing is you know already. So three sides are there, three vertices are there, three angles are there. These are the parts of triangle. Sides, angles, vertices. Parts of triangle. So can you name this triangle? Can you name this triangle? So based on sides, based on angles, we are differentiating the sides. We are defining the sides. You can identify the sides with the help of. So based on sides, first one, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Secondly, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Third one is scalar triangle. Based on the sides. Equilateral triangle means equilateral. Yes, A, B, C is a triangle. If all sides are equal, then it is said to be equilateral triangle. All sides are equal, that is said to be equilateral triangle. It means you have to tell AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Already you know very well that. Just I am reminding. And isosceles. Yes. ABC is a triangle where AB is equal to AC. Only two sides are equal, then it is said to be isosceles triangle. Here AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. If in a triangle only two sides are equal, then the triangle is said to be isosceles triangle. Scalar triangle. Scalar triangle. Scalar triangle. ABC is said to be scalar triangle. Yes, all lengths are different. All lengths are different. It means this 2 cm, this 3 cm, this 4 cm, like that. Here it is 5 cm, 5 cm. Here it is 4 cm, 4 cm, 4 cm. All sides are equal, equilateral. When two sides are equal, isosceles. If all sides are, it means unequal. All are having different lengths. That is said to be scalar triangle. So you can understand by the help of based on sides you can have three types of triangles: equilateral, isosceles, scalar. Okay. Based on angles. Based on angles. First one is acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. Secondly, obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. Third one, right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Okay. So acute angled triangle. Angle A, angle B, angle C. If they are all, angle A is less than 90 degree, angle B is less than 90 degree, angle C less than 90 degree. If all the three angles of a triangle are acute, means less than 90 degree. Yes. So equilateral triangle means what is the measure of each angle? When you are observing practically 60 degree each. So equilateral triangle is always acute angle triangle. So acute angle triangle. If all three angles are less than 90 degree, altogether 180 degree, we know that. Less than 90 degree, then it is said to be acute angled triangle. So obtuse angled triangle. Here angle A, angle B, angle C. One angle is obtuse, greater than 90 degree. Angle B is greater than 90, less than 180. Greater than 90, less than 180. Not possible to draw 180 degree angle than triangle. So only three types: acute, obtuse, and right angle. Right, obtuse means more than 90 degree, less than 180. So only one angle is possible. Only one angle is possible under and more than 90 degree. If it is more than 90 degree, remaining two together, all together 180. So it is more than 90 degree. Then A and C are acute. Only one angle is obtuse. Then the triangle is said to be obtuse angled triangle. In acute angle triangle, all three angles are acute, but in obtuse not like that. Only one angle is obtuse. Remaining two are acute. So what about right angle triangle? So right angle means 90 degree. Only ABC is a triangle. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. If one angle is 90 degree, then the triangle is said to be a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle, only one possible. Then what about remaining two? The remaining two together 90 degree. Remaining two together 90 degree. So right angled triangle. If the two sides which are containing in the right angle are equal, then it is said to be isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Okay. So these are the triangles based on angles. So there are three types of angles. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. We know very well. So proved the theorem. Angle sum property of a triangle. Sum of the angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. Yes. And another important property what are proved? One side is produced. One side is produced. External angle is formed. External angle is formed is always equal to sum of the interior angles. Sum of the interior angles. So external angle Z is equal to angle X plus angle Y. So prove that external angle theorem. If one side is produced, so external angle is formed is always equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. These are the properties of triangles. Already you know that. So now this year we are going to study about congruence. What is the meaning of what is the meaning of congruence of triangles? What is meant by congruence of triangles? First we want to know about what is meant by congruency. Yes. So just for example, AB is a line segment of 5 centimeter and CD is also just I am taking 5 centimeter. What we can tell about these two lines? When CD is put on AB, CD is put on AB, then exactly coinciding. When two objects are kept one above the other, if they are exactly coinciding, then the objects are said to be congruent objects, congruent figures. Yes, we know very well about ATM cards of same bank issued by the bank. Number of ATM cards are kept one above the other. Can you identify how many are there? At that time, we are only observing only one ATM card is there. Is it? So many ATM cards will kept one above the other. At that time, what? Each part is coinciding each other exactly. Then they are called congruent figures. And 1 rupee coin, which are of same year printed, and notes, 10 rupees note or 100 rupee notes or 2000 notes. Yes. One above that bundle when they are giving, when you are keeping in this way, we can understand only one note is there, 1 rupee note is there. So it contains number of notes. So all are said to be congruent figures. So many examples you can see. Yes, and pages. Yes, how many pages are there? Number of pages are there. See now. All these are said to be congruent figures. Understanding? Yes. So many examples you can give. And bangles of same size. All are congruent means circle with same radius are congruent. Yes. Squares of the same size. Yes. Two squares. This is of 2 centimeter side, 2 centimeter. Another one is the square also. 2 centimeter side, 2 centimeter side. Yes. When it is kept above the other, exactly coinciding. So at that time, what we can call corresponding sides, corresponding angles. So here not only the sides, angles also equal. Means two figures are said to be congruent. Means they are having same size. Same size. Sides also equal, angles also equal. Yes, two equilateral triangles. One is of this one, another one is of this one. These are not congruent. Yes, both are, and they are having angle is 60 degrees, 60 degrees, okay. Sides are equal. Then only they are said to be congruent. At that time, congruent corresponding parts. When the corresponding parts of two objects are same, means equal, then they are said to be congruent figures. So this year you are studying about congruence of triangles. Some axioms are there, some postulates are there that we have to study in your next. Okay.